So, parang hindi totoo itong nabigay sa amin.
Ay, baka po.
Ay, ano?
Sorry.
Ay, tingnan ninyo. Yan, nakasulat yan. Oh, kunin nyo. Core skills for great, ano. And then, iba yung sinasabi nyo. Pareho sa 22 billion kanina, iba yung sinasabi ninyo, iba yung, ano namin, di ba? Maliwanag. From clustering K to grade 3 core skills. Open quotation, my body, myself, close quotation. Intimacy and reproduction. May nakasulat dun sa first column eh. Intimacy and reproduction. From K to 3, tuturuan nyo na yan. It comes from, nasa nila yan. Intimacy and reproduction, K to 3 core skills. No matter how, pero intimacy, tinuturuan nyo na.
Naging mainit ang diskusyon sa House Committee on Basic Education na pinangungunahan ni Congressman Roman Romulo ng Pasig City. Ito ay sa ginanap na pagdinig ngayong araw kaugnay sa pagpapatupad ng Comprehensive Sex Education o CSE ng Department of Education o DepEd sa mga kabataang nagsisimula pa lamang ng kindergarten. Kinwestiyon ng mga miyembro ng komite kung bakit kailangang isama ang CSE sa curriculum ng mga bata sa murang edad. Ayon sa DepEd, ang kanilang batayan ay ang Section 14 ng Reproductive Health Act ng 2012 kung saan nakasaad na dapat magbigay ang mga guro ng reproductive health education sa mga adolescent o kabataang nasa edad 10 pataas.
Mr. Chair, according to Section 14,
Yes.
age and development appropriate reproductive health education, the state shall provide age and development appropriate reproductive health education to adolescents, which shall
Wait, to adolescents? Is that, did I hear you correctly?
to adolescents.
Yes. What do you mean by adolescents? May age ba yun? Yung
Yeah.
ordinary meaning of that?
Yes.
Ano yung
the,
adolescents?
the age range, Mr. Chair, would typically be ages 10 to 14,
10 to
15 years old.
10 to 15. Pero meron na kayo sa K. Sa K, sa 1, 2, and 3. But the very section you read, section 14 says adolescents, which is, you see, galing din sa'yo, 10 years old. So, ang tinuturuan nyo sa K, yung mga 10-year-olds. Hindi, kasi yun lang, yun yung basis ninyo, sinabi ninyo, adolescents. Sinabi ninyo, ibig sabihin ng adolescents, ages 10 to 14 or 19 ba? O 10 to 19. Sabi niyo yun, di ba? Kayo nagsabi nun. Pero sinabi niyo rin, K pa lang meron na kayo. May 10-year-old ba tayo sa, I mean, is generally 10-year-old ba ang sa K natin?
Wala pong 10 years old sa kindergarten,
So
pero
why did you introduce it in K? Kailan ba ang grade, ang 10 years old, anong grade yun? Let's start.
mga grade 4,
Ano ba?
grade 4 or 5, depende po sa birthday.
In general, ano?
Ah, 5,
Five tayo.
yeah. And 12.
Okay. So kung yun yung basis ninyo, should you not have followed yung sinabi doon adolescents. So adolescents, yung regular meaning niyan should have been, why introduce it K 1, 2, 3? Why? Kung ang basis niyo yung section 14 of the RH law. Yes, sir.
Just to give information, what is covered in the kindergarten and the early education are foundational lessons focused on developing healthy attitudes and behavior that promote personal growth and safety. So this is like more of a foundational knowledge so that when they reach the 10-year-old, they have already the background on the concepts that will be learned.
Ang question ko lang is that you say the basis for DepEd in implementing CSE in K-12 is Section 14 of the RH law of 2012. Pero kayo na rin nagpasa ng Section 14, adolescents eh. So ages 10 above. So kung 10, paano nasama ang kinder grade 1, 2, and 3, and 4 for that matter?
According to the IRR, Section 11.01, that the state shall provide age and development appropriate responsible parenthood and reproductive health education to school-age children.
Yes, that is the implementing rules.
Yeah.
But the source of the implementing rules must not go over and beyond what the law provides. Hindi kayo pwedeng, you cannot rewrite the law. And the law itself, as you read, says adolescent. So bakit nyo inamend sa IRR? Because kayo nagbasa, hindi naman kami. Sinabi nyo, adolescents. So do not give us a justification na IRR. Because the IRR cannot go beyond what the law provides.
Yes.
So ano yung basis niyo? Bakit tayo nag-umpisa sa K, 1, 2, and 3 if you are telling us your basis is Section 14 of the RH 2012 law?
Ako si Luan Peñano para sa Eye of the Nation ng iNews Pasig.